very happy UPS come Solar Day celebration. It's a 10th UPS come Solar Day celebration, and I thank you all for coming over here and gracing the occasion. Let us begin with thanking our sponsors, Exide, co-sponsors, Microsun, we have knowledge partners as Swelect for solar. It's not coming. Yeah, Swelect Solar Systems Limited. Just come. We have uninterrupted power supply systems knowledge partner, Numeric, a brand Netherlands. We have recreational partners as Power One Microsystems Private Limited, and Texture. A big round of applause for all these companies, because without their positive support, it wouldn't have been possible for us to conduct this program in such a scale. Softdisk is celebrating 25 years today. Of this 25 years, 23 years have gone surveying the industry. Hence, we have this on the top, celebrating 23rd SD Awards. We also are 25 years old, as I told you, celebrating the 10th UPS Come Solar Day and 23rd SD Award presentation ceremony. All this makes it a grand occasion. I would like to have a big round of applause for this. I should not ask, but you should have given it without my asking. It has been a long story, you know. We started off in Chennai and then traveled to Delhi and various places, and finally landed up in Bangalore, and again moved out of Bangalore to Hyderabad and Khandala. Ultimately, I realized that if you do a function in Bangalore, the best part is that you have Andy. And the second best part is that it has got very good connectivity. You can come from any corner of the country. At the most, you may have to change flights, 1 or 2 flights, and you may reach it. If you have a will, there is a way. And to reach Bangalore, you have many ways. This I have been speaking on this for a long time. That please make it a day, not for a day for Sai Krishnan or for Softdisk or for anyone. As you have Valentine's Day, as you have Father's Day, Mother's Day, this day, that day, make it this UPS Come Solar Day a day which gives you bread and butter. Am I right? Yes. How many, today this time I definitely agree that I got more mails, more SMSs than previously I used to get, but still the quantity is not that much. How many, I want an honest answer from all of you. How many of you said happy UPS Come Solar Day, happy 10th UPS Come Solar Day to your clients, your peers, your friends, your industry, your colleagues in the industry? How many of you have done that? There is complete silence. Why?
Almost all of us.
This is, why are you speaking from the throat here? Speak from the heart. Sumant, I can listen, I cannot see you from here,
I'm here.
but I can listen, I know that it is you who is saying like this.
So we really miss each other.
Well, but whatever happens, I have faith. And Softdisk has a slogan, you know, you rely on us, we rely on facts. And more important is the resolve. We have the resolve that one day will come when all these people will start doing this sort of a thing. Mailing is a very small activity. You could have sent a mail yesterday, Saturday, today is Sunday, okay, fine, no problem. You could have sent a mail yesterday to at least 20 of your competitors, partners, colleagues, or another 20 of your clients. They would have been awestruck. But I know the day will come and you will definitely do this one day. Not wasting much time, I would like to invite some senior members of the fraternity, both UPS and Solar, so that we can unfurl the Happy UPS Day banner.